Hello students, today we are going to learn derivative of logarithmic function. Find dy by dx if first y is equal to x raised to x. Now here a variable raised to variable type of function is given. Now in this type we will start by taking logarithm on both sides. So here left hand side we will get log y is equal to log of x raised to x. And we know the laws of logarithm. In that one law is law of exponent. That is log m raised to n we can write as n log m. This is law of exponent. So this raised to term we can write before log. So here we will get log y is equal to x into log x. Now differentiating with respect to x. Now as we are differentiating with respect to x, here since log y is present, derivative will be 1 upon y into dy by dx is equal to, here we will apply u into v rule. So x derivative of log x plus log x derivative of x. Left hand side will be as it is. Here right hand side x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now this x gets cancelled. So here we get 1 plus log x. But in question it is given that find dy by dx. So we don't want this 1 upon y here. So shifting this y to right hand side, we will get dy by dx is equal to y into 1 plus log x. And resubstituting the original value of y as x raised to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So whenever we will find derivative of function of the type variable raised to variable, every time we will get y here and at the place of that y we will substitute the original function. Suppose we consider one more sum, y is equal to x raised to e raised to x. Now here also variable raised to variable type of function is present. So taking logarithm on both sides, we will get log y is equal to log x raised to e raised to x. Now by using law of exponent, we can write this e raised to x before log function. So log y is equal to e raised to x into log x. Differentiating with respect to x. Now again as we are differentiating with respect to x, the derivative of log y will be 1 upon y into dy by dx. So that is equal to applying u into v rule, e raised to x into derivative of log x plus log x into derivative of e raised to x. Keeping this e raised to x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x as it is, derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Now here shifting y to this side and we can take e raised to x common. So resubstituting the original value of y here, x raised to e raised to x and e raised to x which we have taken common, in bracket we will get 1 upon x plus log x. So this is the derivative of given function. Now third sum, we consider y is equal to 2x plus 5 raised to x. Now here also variable raised to variable type of function is present. So taking log on both sides, we will get log y is equal to log 2x plus 5 the bracket raised to x. Now again by using the law of exponent, this x which is here raised to we can write before log. Now again we will get the function of the type u into v. So differentiating with respect to x, obviously log y derivative will be 1 upon y dy by dx. Here x as it is, derivative of log of 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5 into derivative of x, that is u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. Now this x as it is. Now we know how to find the derivative of log of 2x plus 5. We already learned this while solving the composite function. So here this 2x plus 5 we will consider as only x. So the derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So here derivative will be 1 upon 2x plus 5. While reading we will read this as log x. But while writing we will write the given value of x into again the term to which we have considered as x, derivative of that term. So derivative of 2x plus 5 plus this log function as it is, derivative of x is 1. Now in next step we will find derivative of this. Derivative of 2x is 2 plus derivative of 5 is 0. So here we will get answer as 2. So that 2 into this x, that is 2x upon 2x plus 5 plus log of 2x plus 5. Now here no term gets cancelled. So these terms will be as it is, shifting y to right hand side and resubstituting the value of y. This will be the derivative for the given function. Now suppose we consider this question. Y is equal to cube root of 3x minus 1 upon 2x plus 3 and 5 minus x the bracket square. So here this cube root means we can write as the entire term raised to 1 upon 3. Now taking logarithm on both sides, we will get log y is equal to log of this entire function. And by using law of exponent, we can write this 1 upon 3 before log. Now we know that law of quotient, that when the terms are given in division format, we can write that as subtraction. Means log a by b we can write as log a minus log b. So here also we will write log of 3x minus 1 minus log of these two terms. And we know the law of product, means log of a into b we can write as log a plus log b. So further simplification, log y is equal to 1 upon 3 log of 3x minus 1 minus log of 2x plus 3 plus log of 5 minus x the bracket square. Here we have applied law of product. Now here since minus term is present, when we will open the bracket, this plus will become minus. And again by using law of exponent, this 2 which is given raised to we can write here. Now multiplying each term by this 1 upon 3, we will get 1 upon 3 into first term minus 1 upon 3 into this second term minus this 2 into 1 upon 3, that is 2 by 3 into third term. Now differentiating with respect to x, derivative of log y 1 upon y dy by dx. Derivative of this, now everywhere we will apply the composite function. So 1 upon 3 into derivative of this is 1 upon 3x minus 1 into derivative of 3x minus 1 minus 1 upon 3 as it is. Derivative of log of 2x plus 3 is 1 upon 2x plus 3 into derivative of 2x plus 3 minus 2 by 3 into derivative of log of 5 minus x is 1 upon 5 minus x into derivative of 5 minus x. Now keeping this term as it is, derivative of this will be 3 minus keeping these two terms as it is, derivative of 2x plus 3 will be 2, keeping these terms as it is, derivative of 5 minus x will be 0 minus 1. So that is minus 1. And after simplification we will get 1 upon 3x minus 1 because this 3 gets cancelled. This will be 2 upon 3 into 2x plus 3 and this minus minus will become plus 2 upon 3 into 5 minus x, and shifting this y to right hand side and resubstituting the original value of y here. This will be the derivative for the given function. Now last one, y is equal to x raised to x plus a raised to x. Now suppose variable raised to variable type of functions are given, but they are present in terms of addition or subtraction. In that case, we can apply two methods. Either we can find derivative of this separately and derivative of this separately, and final answer we will write in the form of addition, or we can simplify at the same time both the function. Now already we solve this function y is equal to x raised to x. So here differentiating with respect to x, taking dy by dx to both the sides. Here derivative of x raised to x plus derivative of a raised to x. Now as we have already solved this and we know the derivative of x raised to x. Derivative of x raised to x is x raised to x into 1 plus log x. So that answer I am writing here, x raised to x into 1 plus log x, and then derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x into log a. Now as we have already solved this, so directly I am writing the answer here, but in exam you will solve this separately and you call that as equation 1, and then you will substitute answer and say here from equation 1, and that will be the last derivative of the given function. Thank you students.